channel. It's Sarah and I'm here with a huge, like painfully huge haul. So I've done a lot of shopping over the holiday season. There's just so many sales, like how can I not? So I did some shopping. Also some of this stuff is what I got for Christmas. Some of these things I got in PR. I got some Skims, a bunch of Lulu, some fragrance, some Aritzia. So if y'all want to see everything I got, then just keep on watching. Maybe I'll start with like the body care items since they're right here. Victoria's Secret had this little limited edition like body shimmer, and I've really been into body shimmers lately, so I picked up the Bombshell Magic Fragrant Shimmer Dust, and this has sparkling star peony, blackberry, and vanilla patchouli. This is just like one of those really nice sparkling girly scents. Reminds me a lot of Mom Perry, and I love using this before I go out. I feel like it's just that finishing touch. You can put it like in your hair a little bit. It's so cute. Another body shimmer that I got is from Lush, and I made sure to get this because it only comes out during the holiday seasons. It's the Fairy Dust Dusting Powder. This is a cotton candy scented body shimmer. I like to dust it on my actual body. I put it in my bath water. I like to dust it on my sheets, makes my sheets feel nice and silky, and I have some shimmer on my body after I do that. It's like a really nice, pleasant, like bubblegummy smell. This product is new on the market and I've been loving it. It's the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Body for Mesa oil. It smells exactly like the Bum Bum cream, and I just like body oils, and this is supposed to be really good with depuffing, debloating. So if you like to give yourself lymphatic massages, you like to do dry brushing, this is perfect for that. There's caffeine complex, it visibly firms. I mainly like this for the smell and for the moisturizing aspect of it, but I will get back to you guys on how it does for like dry brushing. I'll get back to you guys on how it does for like dry brushing. So far I've just been putting this on top of my body lotion, which I'll get into in a moment, but this is available at Sephora for about $50, I think. I'm not sure. This was sent to me. I'm just a huge fan of Sol de Janeiro. This is kind of like a dry oil too, so it doesn't like get all greasy on my sheets, which I really appreciate because I hate when I get oil stains. Next, I got some things from Fleur. These were in PR. I'm absolutely obsessed with this brand now. Like, I don't know what took me so long. They did go viral a few times because of the Not Your Baby smell and because of the missing person smell, which I didn't really understand because I never actually tried it on my skin. But this missing person body lotion I've been obsessed with, and I pair it with this oil and it's just like, oh my god, such a delectable combo. It's super moisturizing, immediately absorbs into your skin. I also use it with the matching body wash, which is in my shower. The notes are skin musk, jasmine, cyclamen, neroli blossom, orange flower, sandalwood, Australia oil, blonde wood, and white musk. So it's just a very musky, sweet, clean scent. It really just smells like fresh skin. It's so good. Like, it's such a cozy but like clean but sweet, really good scent, and I've been wearing this every day so far. It's really soft. I like wearing it to the gym, not doing too much. It's understated. It's like, oh yeah, I just smell like this, like For the actual perfume, I actually already took them out of the boxes. These are just for show at this point. Somebody Wood, which is a spicy wood with the bergamot, lemon, jasmine, saffron, vanilla, musk, and cedarwood. Very spicy, almost reminds me of By the Fireplace, but better, just without that sort of burnt smell. But this is like a mood. This is a moody scent. It reminds me of being in a jazz club or like a cigar lounge, even though I've literally never been to a cigar lounge. This is just what I'd wear to something like that. Going to a nice steakhouse. Anywhere that has really dark, moody, ambient lighting, or if it's just super cold outside, I feel like this would be a great scent. It does lean masculine, but it's a good one. Okay, so they sent me their newest scent, which is Tangerine Boy. I wasn't really expecting to fall in love with this just because I am a gourmand girly. It has lemon, ginger, black pepper, apple, tangerine, jasmine petal, amber, and moss. And the ginger and black pepper were the notes that were sort of making me raise some eyebrows. But this really smells so mouthwatering and delectable. It's very happy, very bright, reminds me of the summertime. It has something fizzy about it. It might be the ginger, but to me it smells like a fizzy orange soda. I'm probably gonna wear this later today. This is perfectly unisex, although it is pretty sweet. I'd say it leans more feminine just because it is sweet, actually. But this is good. I recommend everybody go try this. Like, at least try the sample size, or if it's in store, give it a smell and let me know what you think, because I am actually blown away by this. And then lastly is their most popular scent, which is Missing Person. This has the same notes as the lotion that I was mentioning. Very musky, very soft, and I've been drowning myself in this every single day. It reminds me of like something. I think it reminds me of like my childhood. It's like nutty vanilla, even though there's not vanilla in here. It's just like, it's like a baby. Oh my god, it literally smells like a baby. Like that little milky smell that they have on their skin. Yep, that's what it smells like. And look at this packaging. Like, okay, I actually just got this today and I was so excited that when I opened this package I ran into a wall and my foot just went numb because I guess the adrenaline was just rushing through my body. But Killian sent me a gift and I was just too excited about it, so thank you, Killian. So this is a new one in my collection, Love Don't Be Shy. Everyone knows about this. It's very popular. It's rumored to be Rihanna's signature scent. It's like a powdery sort of bubblegummy cotton candy scent, and given that I am a huge fan of Rihanna, I do like this scent. Ooh, it's just so good. It's definitely a little more powdery and I feel like it's better for the cold weather. Love the bottle, love the presentation, so gorgeous. This scent embodies like the pretty girl, but like pretty and paid. She's bold, she's blunt, but she's also like very cute. Always looks very cute. She keeps it cute at all times. This is a super strong scent, but at the same time it's super dainty. There's caramel, there's neroli, orange blossom, marshmallow. It's very gourmand. I am a fan of this one, so if you like Rihanna, then you might want to check this one out. Next, I ordered a couple of things from Aritzia, and I'm actually so upset because when I ordered it, it was super cold outside. It was 20 degrees, and now it's 70 degrees. I love the Peggy sweaters. I have one in dark green and it's so cute, so I had to get a couple more. I got one in this wine color and this is a v-neck. It was on sale. It's like $10 off. Super cute cable knit, and these are so thick and it's like wool blend. It's the Sunday Best line. If you are looking for a good thick sweater, you need to try one of the Aritzia Peggy sweaters. What are you waiting for? They're adorable and you can dress these up, dress these down. I like wearing them with jeans or leggings or sweatpants, and they just look cute no matter what you wear them with. And then I got another one, but this one is a crew neck and this is in the shade Blue Diamond, and this is a small. The other one was a medium, but they fit the same. I was just obsessed with this light blue. Oh, so icy. It's giving like winter princess. I got a few things from Skims. She dropped that like New Year's shop. Even though I didn't wear either of these things for New Year's, I just wanted black dresses and I wanted something from this line. So these are her Fits Everybody dresses in the shade Onyx, size medium. I got a long sleeve and these are like really good quality. They're double lined. And then this one I really wanted like more than the long sleeve. It's her mock neck. This is just it. I'm so excited to wear this. I can't wait to go to dinner so I can wear this. I feel like this is a perfect dinner dress. Okay, so I got a bunch of stuff from Lululemon. It's actually hurting my arms. Don't know how much was spent, don't want to think about it, so let's just get right in. First thing that was picked up was this super cute ombre knit textured turtleneck, regular $148. I got it for $70. You guys, tell me this isn't adorable. This is so soft, so cute. I literally can't wait to wear this. There's white, there's like gray, and then there's navy. This is a full length 25-inch inseam. I think I got it for $100. Material is so stretchy, super comfortable. The material is so soft, and I'm probably going to wear this to yoga tonight. I got another Align bodysuit, but this one is in black. And I like the black one way more. I feel like this one actually fits differently. Also got it in a size 8, but I feel like it fits more like snatched than the gray one for some reason. Next, I got another bodysuit, but this one is an 8-inch inseam. It's originally $118 and I got it for $44. I love pink, so I had to get this. I feel like this would be perfect for Pilates or a little like abs class or a little cardio class. Especially with my Define jackets, this would be adorable. And I'm just obsessed with Lulu. I just feel so cutesy, Range Rover driving housewife whenever I wear Lulu. Like, I'm obsessed. Then I got another one in this pomegranate color. Same material, Align 8-inch inseam. I just love the Align fabric. I love the Align tanks. The cutout is super flattering. These are extremely comfortable, and if you're looking for an easy workout outfit, you might want to check these out before the sale's over. Next, I got this Align long sleeve in water drop blue. It's originally $80. I think I got it for $45. The fit on this is a little bit weird also. I should have sized down to a 6 because it's super stretchy. It's almost baggy, but the way I like to style this is to put it on top of those bodysuits, and it's so cute. And these are online only, so don't go in the store looking for these. And then I had to get a scuba. How could I not? So I picked up this light heather gray scuba, the quarter zip. Got a medium large, and it fits so comfortably, and it even has those little thumb holes. I love these. I feel like it looks so cute and sporty. Very lightweight. I wasn't expecting it to be this lightweight, but it's so soft, so comfortable. 100% recommend. I got these Align leggings in a size 8, and these fit perfectly. They have a mini flare at the bottom, and then I got a pair of these super high rise. Then this is like part of my Christmas. My mom picked this out for me, and it's so cute. This was not on my list, but she was making a set for me, and I was like, Mom, you kind of did your thing here. The Wonder Train long line foil bra. I love the foil shine collection. I love anything shimmer. She just knows me. To go with that top, she picked up these high-rise 28 inseam shine pants, also in a size 8. And I love how it looks a little bit leathery. Like, I would style this with a little chain, black purse, maybe a hoodie. I could wear this in the gym and out of the gym. Okay, so then I got the Align high-rise pants, and these are 98. I got them for like 75. In another video, I was wearing this light pink BBO jacket, and here are the matching leggings for that. These are in the shade Pink Peony, and these are 25-inch inseam. This shade of pink is everything. I got this Align tank. This is the strawberry milkshake, and it's adorable. I have been trying so hard not to wear this. This one I wore because I just couldn't wait, but this is the Align tank in powder blue. Such a cute little baby blue shade. Then I got this Align waist length racerback on sale. The camera's making it look more red, but it's definitely more of like a maroon, sort of purpley pomegranate, and I love it. I love the cut. Onto the jackets. I got some Define jackets. Had to get a few BBO jackets. Nothing compares to this one though. I got another black Define. Then I wanted to get a hooded jacket, so I got this one in the sort of black and white pattern. This is the hooded shine Define jacket in the shade French Press, and you guys are literally gonna throw up and eat it and throw up again and then eat it again when you guys see this. It's this mocha metallic color. This color is just insane. I love it. It kind of gives me like 2000s vibes. Okay y'all, so that concludes this huge haul of mostly Lululemon, but when I see a sale, I just can't refuse. If y'all picked anything up over these holiday sales, let me know down below. I just love hearing people's finds. I hope y'all have a happy new year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.